The RG108 Max GPS Drone 8K Professional Dual HD Camera FPV 3km Aerial Photography Brushless Motor Foldable Quadcopter Toys is a high-end drone that is perfect for aerial photography and videography. It features an 8K dual camera system that can capture stunning images and videos, as well as a GPS system that allows you to track and control the drone with ease. The RG108 Max also has a number of other features that make it a great choice for professional and hobbyist drone pilots alike, including brushless motor for smooth and powerful flight, foldable design for easy portability, long flight time of up to 30 minutes, FPV mode for real-time video streaming, a variety of intelligent flight modes, such as follow me, orbit mode, and waypoint mode. If you are looking for a high-quality drone that can capture stunning aerial footage, the RG108 Max is a great option to consider. Here are some of the potential benefits of using the RG108 Max GPS drone. High-quality aerial photography and videography. The RG108 Max's 8K dual camera system can capture stunning images and videos of your surroundings, making it ideal for professional and hobbyist photographers and videographers alike. Easy to use. The RG108 Max is equipped with a variety of features that make it easy to use even for beginner pilots. These features include a GPS system for tracking and controlling the drone, as well as a variety of intelligent flight modes. Portable. The RG108 Max's foldable design makes it easy to transport and store. This makes it a great option for pilots who want to take their drone with them on the go. Overall, the RG108 Max GPS drone is a high-quality drone that